Hi everyone, today I'm making some date water and I'm going to show you how. Your first step is to use 4 dates and make sure that you remove the pits. Here are my dates. I'm using Trader Joe's Medjool dates. They were only about $4.99 for this container of 16 ounces. Okay, your next step is to add it to your container. I'm using my Ninja. I absolutely love this for making my beverages because I really have control over how many ingredients I'm using, and it's just a small amount since it's just for me. So make sure you add your de-pitted dates. You're using 20 ounces of spring water. Allow these to soak overnight. You can do it for a shorter period of time, but I prefer overnight. Blend.